Hello and welcome. This video covers the StartDeck Writer merge field functionality. And to be clear, there are two types of merge fields on the StartDeck platform. There are document merge fields, which we will cover here, and there are Google Sheets merge fields, which we will cover in a separate video. To get started, go to Extensions, StartDeck, StartDeck Writer. That will bring up the StartDeck sidebar, and we will go to Forms and Data, then Forms and Fields. This will display a list of document headings, and to the right of the various headings you'll see a plus sign, which indicates there are fields associated with a given section of the document. Simply click the plus sign and that will display the form and fields associated with this section of the document. StartDeck supports a variety of field types ranging from selections to combo boxes to lists, dates, email, currency, and so on. Entering data is very straightforward. Simply make a selection or hand enter the data depending on the type of field that you're working with. After you have completed your data entry, simply select Update Doc Fields to merge that data with your document. As you look at the document, you'll see blue text which indicates the presence of a merge field. Of course, when you are ready to publish your finished document, you want to hide the blue text, and we do that with the Show Hide Merge Fields functionality on the bottom of the sidebar. And here you can see the merge fields appear as normal text. We recommend keeping merge fields displayed as blue text as you work on the document so you can see where those merge fields are and that you don't inadvertently overwrite them. We also recommend that as you complete the various forms in the sidebar, that you update frequently and observe where the data merges into your document and make sure everything is merging as you intended and you can see the context of the merge field within the document. Okay, let's take a look at editing and creating new merge fields. So back to our form, go to Utilities. And here we can edit fields or we can create fields. Let's start with creating a new field. First, put your cursor where you want the field to populate in your document. Go to Create Fields. Enter a field label. A field name will automatically be created based on the field label. Next, select the type of field that you want to create. We'll use the versatile combo box. We'll start by adding options. Optionally, you can add a field tip. The last two options are to either set the field as required and/or insert a break before the field. Inserting a break before simply separates this field from any other fields above it and creates a new section of the form. Having completed all of our data entries for the field, we'll select Create Field. That will insert the field at our cursor. So here's our new field. We'll go to Forms and Fields, and because this field is at the top section of our document, we'll select Top. So now we have the new field showing in our sidebar. And because this is a combo field, we can either select an option or enter in something else. If you want to create multiple copies of this field, simply copy the field and paste it. When you update the field from the sidebar, it will update all instances of that field. Now let's take a look at how to edit a field. Again, we go to Forms and Data, Utilities, and Edit Fields. You'll see a list of all the fields in the document here, organized by document heading. As you can see, this creates a long list of fields, and it can be tedious to find a field. So the easiest way to find a field for editing is to go to the browser find function and search, and that'll bring us to fields that we're looking for. So in this case, we will edit the intended use of the report. So I'll click the edit icon. That brings up our field type. We've got our label at the top, the name of the field, and the type of the field. So to add an item, simply enter it here, press enter, and that will add it to your list, and then click Update Fields. And that's it, the field is now updated. Now if we go back to our sidebar, Forms and Fields, Intended Users, and here's our new item that we just added to the form. A final aspect of merge fields that we'll cover in this video is the ability to edit the order in which fields appear in the sidebar. And to do that, we go to Utilities, Edit Fields. You'll notice here that each field has a handle on the left-hand side, and you can click and drag to change the order of fields. As well, if you click multiple fields, you can click and drag a group of fields to a new section of the form, or you can click and drag a section of fields or a single field to a new section of the document. When you're done setting the order, click Save Field Display Order, and that will lock in your changes. That covers our video for document merge fields. In our next video, we will cover sheet merge fields.